Hi there, and welcome to Skytree Express. This video shows you how to register, download, and get started with our machine learning software. To begin, navigate to the Skytree homepage and click on your chosen download link. This takes you to our registration page for obtaining the software. We are going to demonstrate running the Skytree Graphical User Interface and Software Development Kit interface on a Mac laptop using the virtual machine. We will also show how to access the command line interface. Note that Skytree Express is limited to 100 million dataset elements, whereas the full product is unlimited. After filling out your registration information, click Next to go to the download page. Skytree Express is available for 64-bit Linux platforms as a native install, and for all other platforms via a virtual machine. Once downloaded, the file will appear as a zip file, which on a Mac can be extracted by double-clicking. The zip directory contains files, including a README file, with full instructions on how to get started, and the .ova file containing the virtual machine. To run the virtual machine, import it into VirtualBox. This is done by going to Import Appliance and navigating to the location of the .ova. Here, the virtual machine has already been imported and is running. To start it running on your own machine, click the green arrow on the toolbar, which when the VM is not running will show Start, and wait for the machine to boot up. For most analyses, the standard virtual machine settings are sufficient, although you can increase the amount of resources available via the settings pane if desired. The Skytree Express 15.4 VM gives a choice of methods to access the software. The simplest is the Graphical User Interface, or UI. To see the UI, navigate to its URL as shown in the web browser, and log in using the credentials supplied for the new trial user. With password Skytree1, capital S, no spaces. The example project on income prediction is shown. Click on this to access the project and see examples of datasets, machine learning models, machine learning model results, the audit trail, visualizations, performance metrics, and insight, among many other Skytree functionalities. For those who prefer a programmatic mode of interaction, the Skytree API provides access via either Python or Java. The Python SDK can be viewed by an IPython notebook on port 10,000. Its results can in turn be viewed in the UI, or any other software that can access the plain text results output by Skytree. Note that Skytree itself is not written in Python, but that the language is a binding to the API that accesses the underlying core C++ machine learning code. This core code is the key to Skytree's speed and scalability. The final method of access to Skytree is directly to the command line interface. To navigate to the VM, use an SSH client and connect using port 2222. The username is Skytree, and the password is also Skytree, all lowercase. Similar to the UI and SDK, a sample analysis is provided. In this case, because Skytree is accessed via shell commands, it is a bash shell script. To run the script, simply execute the shell command from the terminal. The output is directed to standard out, or it can be recorded in a log file. Now that Skytree is up and running, what's next? We recommend navigating to our documentation and training page and exploring the resources that are available there. These include a support community, full documentation, and further training videos. We hope that you enjoy using Skytree. Good luck!